Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's time to set up the new month in our bullet journals. It's April, or soon to be April. And to compensate for the lack of color in my April setup, I went full on Easter on my eyes. I just felt like doing my makeup, and I've sat and done my makeup for over an hour just to film this intro and the outro. But I do really hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and if you do like this video. And now let's start writing and doodling. I always think it's really hard coming up with a theme for April because you can either go really colorful and like Eastery, or you can choose to have more of a gray layout because of the weather. So last year I wasn't happy at all with my April spreads. They were like a mix of both gray and colorful. I don't know, it just didn't turn out good. So this year I'm going to keep it quite simple with just black and gray and a nice quote on the cover page. And for the theme, it's going to be a little bit of clouds and stuff, as you will see later. But first I'm going to write out the quote that I've chosen. I can't decide if I want to leave it this simple or at least have like a gray thin border here. I think I'm gonna leave it for now and then return to it if I feel like it looks empty later. So I don't know if you noticed on the page before, but this time I'm using quite a thick fine tip liner just because, I don't know, I just want a little bit of like bolder frames than I usually have for this month. But as you can see, I'm going to do a more floaty monthly overview. So I'm just going to have one grid space between each box, and the measurements are 6 by 6 for those of you who are wondering. So after this page comes the mood tracker and the habit tracker, and there I have a little bit of a cloud theme. So I am going to draw a little cloud at this page as well, just to fill out this empty space and also so the theme makes sense throughout the spreads. Happy with how simple that is and that everything is in black, because I usually like write everything out with black, a black pen. So the gray is quite different for me, but I think I like it. So usually I have my habit trackers on this side and the mood tracker on this side, but I want to switch it up and try something different. So I went from 9 to 6 trackers because I found that I actually don't really use all of them that much. So I have the 6 ones up here, and then this is going to be the mood tracker. This is actually inspired by Amanda Rich Lee's tracker a couple of years ago when she had like these clouds, and then each day is a raindrop. So I really like the look of that, but I'm going to make it wider over 2 pages. I really like how this looks, and I probably will try to do a similar layout later in the year where I have the habit trackers up here and the mood tracker down here, because I think it just looks so aesthetically pleasing. And I can't wait to fill all the drops in. I think it will look really nice. As I said in my March bullet journal setup video, I am trying to save up a few pages just so I don't have to have 2 bullet journals for this year. So I am going to have the exact same layout as last month, where I have 1 week per page instead of a spread. So I am just going to make it a little bit different with how I write the weekday out and stuff like that, but the layout is exactly the same with the boxes. It's just 8 by 10 and with 2 spaces between each row and 1 space between each column. And I'm just going to draw one last cloud here and fill out the letters for the monthly memories page, where I always put like the mini pictures from my memories each month. Now when I'm done with all these pages, I want to go back to the cover spread, because now it feels a little bit empty without the clouds. So, do I want clouds? Yeah, so I am going to draw like a little frame around here, just a thin gray frame, and then maybe a couple of clouds within it on this page. Okay, so I changed my mind now that I drew the frame, so I'm not going to draw a cloud on the first page or the first spread. So this is what my April spreads ended up looking like. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and also don't forget to comment down below what you chose for your April theme. Maybe you can give me some inspiration for next year, because I find this month so difficult. I hope you have a great day, night, or morning, or whenever you're watching this, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! Compensate for lack bullet journal and Hey guys, what is this? April. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Take 51. Fuck me. I hope you chose for your April. So that's a wrap, everybody.